Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel where I share tips and strategies on how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in real estate like Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki is one of the most influential and successful real estate investors in the world. He has built a multi-million-dollar empire by following some simple principles and techniques that anyone can learn and apply. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven strategies that Robert Kiyosaki uses to invest in real estate and generate passive income. Strategy 1. Build a world-class investment team. One of the first things that Robert Kiyosaki teaches is that you can't do everything yourself. You need to surround yourself with a team of experts who can help you find, analyze, finance, and manage your properties. Your team should include a real estate agent, a lawyer, an accountant, a mortgage broker, a property manager, a contractor, and a mentor. These are the people who will guide you, advise you, and support you throughout your real estate journey. Strategy 2. Focus on cash flow, not capital gains. Another key principle that Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes is that you should invest for cash flow, not for capital gains. Cash flow is the money that you receive every month from your tenants after paying all the expenses. Capital gains are the profits that you make when you sell your property for more than you bought it. Robert Kiyosaki prefers cash flow over capital gains because cash flow is more predictable, consistent, and tax-advantaged. Cash flow also allows you to reinvest your money into more properties and grow your portfolio faster. Strategy 3. Use leverage wisely. Leverage is the use of borrowed money to buy an asset. Robert Kiyosaki is a big fan of using leverage to invest in real estate because it allows you to buy more properties with less money and increase your return on investment. However, leverage also comes with risks and responsibilities. You need to make sure that you can afford the monthly payments, that you have enough reserves for emergencies, and that you don't overextend yourself. Robert Kiyosaki recommends that you use leverage wisely and conservatively, and that you always have positive cash flow from your properties. Strategy 4. Buy low, sell high. This is a basic rule of investing that Robert Kiyosaki follows religiously. He always looks for properties that are undervalued, distressed, or motivated. These are properties that have problems that can be fixed, such as deferred maintenance, poor management, low occupancy, or legal issues. Robert Kiyosaki buys these properties at a discount, fixes them up, increases their value, and rents them out for higher income. He then sells them when the market is high or when he finds a better opportunity. Strategy 5. Diversify your portfolio. Robert Kiyosaki is not a one-trick pony. He invests in different types of properties, in different markets, and in different countries. He diversifies his portfolio to reduce his risk, to take advantage of different opportunities, and to learn new skills and strategies. Robert Kiyosaki invests in single-family homes, multifamily apartments, commercial buildings, land, and even mobile homes. He invests in different states and different countries, such as Hawaii, Arizona, California, Nevada, Texas, Florida, Canada, Mexico, and Japan. He also invests in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, gold, silver, and oil. Strategy 6. Educate yourself constantly. Robert Kiyosaki is a lifelong learner. He reads books, attends seminars, listens to podcasts, watches videos, and joins masterminds. He educates himself constantly on the latest trends, strategies, and opportunities in real estate and in the economy. He also learns from his own mistakes and from other people's successes and failures. Robert Kiyosaki believes that knowledge is power, and that the more you know, the more you can do. Strategy 7. Have a clear vision and a strong mindset. The last and most important strategy that Robert Kiyosaki uses to invest in real estate is to have a clear vision and a strong mindset. Robert Kiyosaki knows exactly what he wants to achieve, why he wants to achieve it, and how he is going to achieve it. He has a clear vision of his goals, his purpose, and his legacy. He also has a strong mindset that helps him overcome challenges, deal with setbacks, and persist until he succeeds. Robert Kiyosaki has a positive attitude, a high self-esteem, and a burning desire to achieve financial freedom. These are the 7 proven strategies that Robert Kiyosaki uses to invest in real estate and generate passive income. If you want to learn more about Robert Kiyosaki and his teachings, I highly recommend that you read his book Rich Dad Poor Dad. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Robert Kiyosaki and his strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.